to feel the energy? Are you guys excited about winning your second championship? Well, it's been my pleasure to be here and to be your host. And thank you so much for supporting St. Louis Slam and Secure Entertainment. I gave you all the weapons you need to go out and get them. I gave you the sponsorship information, or sponsorship. I gave you the social media outlets, again, STL, St. Louis Slam, STL Slam Football, all the Instagram information. So I'm going to close out with doing one of my signature poems called Ordinary Woman Doing Extraordinary Things, because each and every one of you all are ordinary women doing extraordinary things. Is that cool? You can call me thick with it, sick with it, but don't forget, I give birth to babies, turn girls into ladies and boys to men. I am the epitome of strength. My arms have carried loads while my shoulders held the burden. I am a woman of substance, like Rosa Parks fighting injustice. I'm not afraid to take a stand. My aura demands respect is not something I just be saying. It's more a recognition for the women that came before me, paving the way so that I could be free. Like Harriet Tubman led the slaves, I have the ability to take my people to better days. I am an ordinary woman doing extraordinary things. I am a traveling preacher like Sojourner Truth. Ain't I a woman is living proof. I am Dorothy Height in the women's movement. I am the reason we have family reunions. I am Angela Davis with my fist held high, not afraid to fight for what's right. I am a little warrior like Willie Barrow. I am an activist and writer like Maya Angelou. I am Phyllis Wheatley of Ford Extraordinaire. I am an educator like Ida B. Wells. I am Maria Stewart speaking to the masses advocating equality. I am the first minority in authority, Constance Baker Motley. I am Patricia Harris, first represent us in government. I am Daisy Baseman and integrate schools. I am Mary McLeod Phillips. I am Madam C.J. Walker creating products for your hair. I am the first woman of color to become a millionaire. I am an ordinary woman doing extraordinary things. I am Cicely Tyson playing the role of Miss Jane Pittman, but my stories are not fiction. I am Merle Evans and I understand what it means to be persistent. I am Shirley Chisholm, first to be elected to the House of Representatives. Through adversities we can achieve, jumping hurdles like Jackie Joyner Kersey did. I am the definition of beauty and I love the skin I'm in. Sally Hemming's story explains why I'm so light-skinned. I am a diva like Nina Simone, don't ever underestimate me. I am Josephine Baker crusading for racial equalities. I am Toni Morrison, first woman of color to achieve the Nobel Prize for Literacy. I am an ordinary woman doing extraordinary things. I am Mae Jemison, first woman in space. I am Michelle Obama standing beside my husband during the presidential race. I am Jocelyn Elders, first woman of color to be the head of public health. I am Bessie Coleman, aviating my step. I am Oprah Winfrey, first woman of color to achieve billionaire status. I can do anything. I just have to grasp it. God created me to be the womb of man. I embody the spirit of the black woman because I am an ordinary woman doing extraordinary things. So the next time you hear me say my aura demands respect,